I'm working today with Project Workforce. This is our team, and Project Workforce is a pretty agile group that does all sorts of projects around campus. It gives us the opportunity to get things done quickly and in a high quality fashion, whether it's refitting a locker room, or what we're going to be doing today is hanging some drywall. So we are really appreciative that we have this group, because if we didn't have that, everything's much more elaborate and requires all sorts of scheduling of different areas of expertise. So this has been a huge benefit, and I know Jim Lewis, who's the AVP for facilities, speaks very highly of the work you all do and the fact that we have this really effective team doing this work. So thank you all for your efforts, and I look forward to going out and doing some work.
Audio Jungle.